iStylers. Yes, it's me. I'm back. Welcome back to iStyle My Style. And I've been putting out a lot of videos lately because it's kind of boring around here and I have nothing else to do, so why not? Today's video is in collaboration with two ladies here on YouTube that I sincerely enjoy their channels, and that is Bree from Bree's Project Book and Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me. And this is the Spring is in the Air collaboration. And I want to thank Stephanie and Bree for hosting this collaboration. I love tablescapes, I love floral arrangements, so you guys know I had to participate. So I went rummaging around in my basement and thought, what could I put together? So I came up with this cute little vignette. And you've seen these black placemats in the past, and I am using my hammered metal silverware on this tablescape, and I am using some plates that I actually DIY'd. These are simple Dollar Tree plates, and I took a image from Yahoo Images and printed it out. As you can see, I put some white paint on it, and I Mod Podged it with some dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and I put it in the oven to bake, and it turned it kind of yellow, as you can see. But I still think they came out really cute. It's just decor. It's not a plate that you could eat off of. I guess you could because the front's fine, but for me, it's just decor. And I thought these were the cutest little rabbits, and I wanted to make my own rabbit plates. I saw something similar on Pottery Barn, I don't know, several years ago, so I thought I would do a DIY. It didn't come out exactly as I expected, but I still like them nonetheless, and I figured I would feature them in this tablescape. The plate underneath is also a DIY. It is a plate that I thrifted from the Goodwill, and I spray painted it black on the back. And I used this in a Halloween tablescape a couple of years ago. But you know, my theme is black and white, and I thought it would go perfectly with the cute little gray rabbits on this little white plate that I DIY'd. The napkins, of course, are from Pier 1. They're a little wrinkly. I didn't get out my iron, sorry guys, but I still think it's cute nonetheless. The glasses, the one on the right is from the Goodwill, and the one on the left is from TJ Maxx. The floral arrangement, I love white roses and these white lilies that I found on Amazon. I just love it. I'm loving the white and green for spring, so those are my colors along with black. And so I put this together. I think it is really, really cute. This vase, I actually thrifted from the Goodwill yesterday. I told you guys I could not be in the house any longer, so I took my coronavirus thrift store survival kit, put it in the car, and I went to Goodwill. There were actually more people out than I thought there would be, and they were all shopping like nothing's going on. So I can understand why people are still getting sick, and so I've decided not to go back out. I don't think it's worth it, even though I did wear my gloves. I didn't have a mask, so I'm not gonna do that anymore. I'm just gonna wait for a couple of weeks. Hopefully I don't go through with thrifting withdrawal. This little rabbit, I don't know if you can see, he's a cement rabbit. I painted him black, and I picked him up from Pier 1, 90% clearance a couple of years ago, and I thought he was really, really cute. And there is his twin, and I thought they would go perfectly with this tablescape. And my salt and pepper shakers I picked up from Amazon. So this is a really simple tablescape or breakfastscape, islandscape, whichever term you prefer, but I like it. It goes along with the theme of everything else in my home. So I hope you enjoyed this simple video. I want to thank Bree and Stephanie once again for hosting this collaboration. I will leave links for their channels down below, along with a link for the playlist of all the participants. So I do hope you like the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not part of my YouTube family, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of my YouTube family. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.